my channel, and today in this video what I'm going to be doing is another project out of scrap wood. I really enjoy my scrap wood projects, so I thought I would do another one for you guys. So today what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to make a clock. I did actually make a clock a couple years back, so now I'm going to make another one. It's going to be a bit different. So I'm just going to sand all of the pieces of wood and then I'm going to glue them to this board. So I really hope you guys are going to enjoy this video here today, and without further ado, let's get started. As you can see, guys, I've now completely filled this bottom part, and now I'm just going to finish up the top. Okay guys, so excuse the thunder and lightning right now, and also the rain. It's very loud, but as you can see, I have now glued all of the pieces of wood to the board, and as you can see, I've got loads of them sticking out here. It makes it look really cool. So I'm going to come back tomorrow when it's all dry. Okay guys, so here we go. It is now all very nicely glued together. So now what I'm going to do is just sand it and get all the glue off. This is all sanded, and I've got all of the glue off the faces of wood. Now what I'm going to do is apply some of this Veedom wax. guys, so I now have all the pieces for the clock, and now what I'm going to do is just put it all together. Okay guys, so here we are. I actually really like this. This is really, really good. And as we can see, I have the clock handle on now. When I turn the minute handle, the hour handle turns. So it's working. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine. And I'm really happy about this. So this is just a really cool DIY clock that you can just make at home with some scrap bits of wood. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video here today. And if you did, I would really appreciate it if you could share this video with your friends and also leave a like on this video. That would really help me out. And also, once again, guys, thank you so much for 24,000 subscribers. I've seen all of your guys' comments congratulating me and I really appreciate that. And also, guys, do not forget Maker Central is back on next year in May. I will be there, so if you would like to come and meet me, then check the link in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time with another video with Charlie the Maker.